Today's video is about fixing an issue with Microsoft Office 365 API integration. The account needs to be added as an external user in the tenant first error. Let's get started. First, log into the Okta admin dashboard. Then search Microsoft Office 365 application. Next, click on the General tab. Now let's check your Microsoft tenant name. Next, we need to enable API integration. Go to Provisioning under Microsoft Office 365, then click on Integration. Here, make sure to turn on Enable API Integration. Now, click the Re-Authenticate with Microsoft Office 365 button. A new window should pop up, taking you to the Microsoft Azure login page. If it doesn't, check your browser settings to make sure pop-up blockers are turned off. Log in with your Microsoft Azure Global Administrator account. This account should be part of the Microsoft domain you saw in the General tab of the Office 365 Okta integration. You'll need to read and accept some permissions. After you're redirected back to Okta, enter the same Office 365 Global Administrator credentials on the integration page. Then, click Test API Credentials to make sure everything is working. Finally, once the credentials are verified, click Save. This should complete your setup successfully, and that's it. You've successfully fixed the integration error. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.